Just imagine, what if the CD we once used only to store songs could suddenly hold 1.6 million gigabytes of data? It sounds unbelievable, right? Yet this exact claim is spreading like wildfire on the internet right now. China is working on a 1.6 million gigabyte CD. The real question is this true, or is there a deeper technological story behind it? At one time, the CD was a true technological revolution. In 1982, the first commercial compact disc, CD, was released. Back then, the cassette era was dominant. Poor sound quality, tapes getting damaged easily. CD arrived as a new hope. Clear sound, long-lasting data, and easy usability. Slowly, music, movies, and software all became dependent on CDs. But technology never stands still. Over time, the limitations of CDs became clear. A standard CD can store a maximum of about 700 megabytes of data. In today's world, that is almost nothing. One HD movie, one game, even a single mobile app can be larger than a CD. Then came DVDs, then Blu-ray, then hard drives and SSDs. After the rise of the internet and cloud storage, CDs gradually faded away. They break, get scratched, data gets corrupted, and most importantly, the capacity is very low. Now let's come to that viral number, 1.6 million gigabytes. To understand how massive this amount of data really is, we need a comparison. If we assume one normal hard disk is 1 terabyte, 1,000 gigabytes, then 1.6 million gigabytes is equal to about 1,600 1 terabyte hard drives. Just imagine how big a data center would be if they were placed together. And if all that data could be stored on a single disk, it would truly be a historic breakthrough in technology. This is where Chinese researchers come into the discussion. In reality, what they are working on is not the old CD we know. They're researching next-generation optical storage technology. From the outside, it may look like a disk, but the internal technology is completely different. In some cases, special glass is used, in others, multi-layer laser technology, and in some, future-focused research, even DNA-based storage concepts are being explored. The goal is simple: store an enormous amount of data in a very small space and keep it safe for hundreds of years. Still, people simplify it by calling it a CD, because the word CD creates instant nostalgia. Everyone knows what a CD is. Saying 1.6 million gigabyte CD spreads much faster than saying advanced optical storage medium. This is exactly where exaggeration, misunderstanding, and rumors begin. So, the final question: are CDs really making a comeback? Not the old CDs, but disk-based storage in a new form is definitely trying to return. Hard drives and SSDs also have limitations. They need electricity, and long-term storage risks data loss. Scientists want a future storage solution that can preserve data for centuries without power. That's why optical discs are once again coming into discussion. The final truth is simple. A normal CD with 1.6 million gigabytes does not exist yet. But researchers in China and other countries are moving toward a technology that could completely change how we think about data storage. What sounds like a rumor today may very well become tomorrow's reality. Technology has taught us that lesson again and again.